Earth does not need to be saved everywhere. It needs to be restored strategically. The question is not whether restoration works. The question is, how much land is required to change planetary behavior? Earth's total land surface is approximately 149 million square kilometers. Climate stabilization does not require full coverage. It requires reaching a threshold. Planetary cycle theory shows that once regenerative systems pass a critical surface area, feedback loops reverse, carbon drawdown accelerates, rainfall patterns stabilize, soil systems reconnect. Research across forests, grasslands, and wetlands converges on the same result. Restoring between 20 and 30% of degraded land is sufficient to shift global climate trajectories. Below this level, gains are local. Above this level, effects become planetary. This means approximately 30 to 45 million square kilometers globally. That number sounds impossible until it is broken down. Most of this land already exists. It is degraded farmland, deforested regions, savannas, and semi-arid zones. Restoration does not mean removing people. It means changing land use. Agroforestry, managed rewilding, silvopasture, and regeneration can occur alongside human activity. Speed matters. Planting faster does not equal restoring faster. Survival rate determines speed. A project restoring 1 million hectares at 80% survival outperforms 10 million hectares planted at 10% survival. This is why small disciplined projects scale better than massive campaigns. Restoration must be modular. Each region operates independently, but follows the same biological logic. Soil first, water second, biology third. When replicated globally, modules connect into a planetary network. At scale, Earth behaves like a system again, not a collection of damaged parts. This is the shift from environmentalism to engineering. The objective is not awareness. The objective is surface area under regeneration. Once that threshold is crossed, Earth begins repairing itself. Not symbolically, physically,